Good day everyone. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up a simple LAN or local area network using two laptops connected directly with a UTP cable. This type of setup allows two computers to communicate, share files, and transfer data without using a router or switch. Before starting the LAN setup, I first prepare the materials needed for the connection. First, we need to open our laptop. I check if both laptops have work Ethernet or LAN port. The LAN port is where the UTP cable is connected. It is important to make sure the port are work properly so that device can detect each other successfully. Now, I connected one end of the UTP cable to the first laptop and the other end to the second laptop. And now, I first change the computer name and the work group. First, I open the settings or control panel of the computer. Then click the start menu, search for control panel or settings, then open the system. These sections contains the computer information and settings where we can change the computer name and work group. Second, open advanced system settings. Next, I open the advanced system settings. Click advanced system settings. The system properties windows will appear. Select the computer name tab. The computer name tab shows the correct name of the computer and the work group it belongs to. Third, click the change button. In this step, I click the change button to modify the computer name and work group. Click change and a new windows will open. These options allows us to rename the computer and assign it to a specific work group. Now I change my computer name into my first name. Next, I change the work group name. Under the work group, type the same work group, for both laptops. So we name our work group into work group. After changing the computer name and work group, I click OK to save the settings. Then finally restarted the computer. And in this step, I configured the IP address of the first laptop. control panel, go to Network and Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Ethernet and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Click Properties, choose Use the following IP address. Now that the internet is working, I can share file and folder between the two laptops.